Hey, so in this video, I'll show you how to generate high quality property listing description in Airtable using AI. So as you can see that I have a bunch of columns like ID, property type, bedrooms, bathrooms, area, year built, furnishing, address, city, and a lot of data points like flooring, heating, extra features, view, listing type, price, availability, and so on. So I would want to use all these data points and create really high quality property listing descriptions for all of these properties. For that, I already have prompts created. For example, you can see that you are a professional real estate listing writer. Write a clean, direct, and professional property listing in the first and second person point of view based on the following data. And I am passing all these data and some additional instructions like start with a clear and confident opening sentence describing the property type, location, and main highlights. Write naturally, avoid sounding robotic and or repetitive. Format the output in plain text without bullet points. Something like this, right? So this is very detailed. And this is a formula field basically. If I click here, you can see that this is a very long formula. You are this, and then property type is being passed on from somewhere here. I think, yeah, this is the property type. Similarly, the bedroom, bathrooms, and these are the variables here. The slash, this backslash n that you see, it's for new lines. So whenever you put something like, let's say here, backslash n, it means two new line breaks are there. So yes, I saved it and then it generates unique prompts for all of these rows. And now it's time to utilize AI to generate the descriptions. So for that, I'll be using this multi-AI Airtable script. So basically, it's a collection of scripts that you can directly use inside your Airtable base and then create as much content as you want. So this is the Notion document that you receive after making the purchase. And here you will have all the different AI models available like OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, XAI Grok, DeepSeek, and so on. Yes, in this case, I'll be using OpenAI. So at first, let's click on this OpenAI. If you scroll down, you will see this is a script that you can copy. So I'll just copy the script from here and then come back to the Airtable base. So at first, you need to add an extension. So click on here, add an extension, and the extension is called scripting. So you need to search it, and this is the extension that I'm talking about. So you can just click on this add button and it will add the extension. As you can see that it's added. I can just delete the existing script that it has and I can just paste the script that I copied. So yeah, you can click on this finish editing, and yeah, it's ready to be configured. So at first you need to select the table. In this case, I have two tables. One is this and this one is property listing. So I will select the property listing. The view name. In this case, I have only one view called grid view. I'll write that as it is. Enter prompt field names. In this case, the prompt field name is prompt. So I'll write just that. Enter respective output field names. So I don't have an output field yet. So I'll create a blank long text and I can name it something like a description, right? Just create it and then I'll write description. So, by the way, if you want more prompt columns and more output columns, you can write a like something like comma, prompt two, and then something like description two or maybe output two. It works. So for now, we only have one prompt and one description. Now you need your OpenAI API key because I copied the OpenAI script. It's asking me for the OpenAI API key. So I already have my API key, which I'll paste here, and then I'll have to select the OpenAI model. In this case, I will select this GPT 4.1 model. which is really good for these kind of tasks. Temperature, I'll enter 0.7 because 0.7 is generally balanced. Enter max tokens, I'll write 1000, and then system prompts. I'll write something like be precise, yes, as like do not use uncommon words. Okay, so now everything is ready. I can just click on this run button and it should start generating the output. So let's see. Processing records, processing row. This must be the first row, and it should show the output here. Yes, you can see here. Processing the second row, and it will keep working. So let's open it and see how the description is. Welcome to a spacious, modern 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house for sale in Austin, Texas, located at this and this, yeah, built in 2018, fully furnished, 2500 square feet, and all the data. And all these information are 100% correct because it's not generating from its own memory, but it's generating from all the data that we already have because we are passing the data in the prompt. So let's open this one. 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo, this, and let's verify it. So let me go to the, yeah, condo, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, square feet 1450, built in 2010. So yeah, as 2010, 1450 square feet, and it's all correct. And within like seconds, it generated the description for like 5 of these properties that we have. I'll add a link to this script in the description below, and you can get it from there. And then after making the purchase, you will receive this document from where you can use any of these models inside Airtable for any task. So that's it for the video, and see you in the next video.